Friends, today I will tell you how to print your AutoCAD drawing in PDF. So firstly you have to type Ctrl P. Then here you have to select the Microsoft print to PDF, and then here plot area, select the window, then select this figure. Okay, enter again. Select this center to center the plot. Okay, and then you can also preview this, no issue. Okay, see your PDF is converted. Here specify the name of this figure, so we specify this file name as 3. Save. Okay, go to your this PC and in check-in document, here is the 3D. Open it. See, our figure is converted into PDF. How you have issue any regarding this, comment and